Today we're going to evaluate these putties. We have 6 to choose from. We're going to evaluate them on STEM value, little amount, is it even worth doing, and fun factor. And I have 2 assistants with me today. We'll call them C and E from this point on. We're going to evaluate this electroid putty. This illuminates, glows in the dark. So this is clear putty. This is changes color with heat putty. You can write on it with a laser putty. And then this is changes color with light. So this was $3. These were all $7. These were $5. Then we're gonna rank the putties from 1 to 6. Which one do you wanna try out first? Clear putty is what we're gonna try. It is magic putty. Comes in a plastic container. I think these are all plastic except for this one that's metal. Open it up, sealed.
There's a tab.
Oh, thanks. Oh, that's interesting. So here we got the clear putty. Tell me what you think.
It does.
It's strangely squishy.
So let's get it out.
As much as we can. Oh, all of it. Huh.
Ooh.
Oh,
What do you
It
think?
really is clear.
that's cool. I mean, sure, it's a bit smudgy once you start to play with it, but otherwise, it's clear.
First general impressions.
Yay.
Scale from 1 to 5 on 1 putty to 5 putties.
4.
4.
3.
3. I'm with C. 3. Let's do change color putty next
With heat.
with heat. Oh, look at that. There's a tab.
It's
It's full all the way to the top, which it means it's good in value.
Unless there's a big bubble in it that's keeping it up.
You mean like that bubble right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe that's not a good value. All right, this changes color as you play with it. So we'll, ooh, what are your first impressions?
I'm just gonna,
It's very stiff.
yeah.
It's a stiff.
Is it changing color? Oh, it's with heat.
Yeah.
So hold on to it for a second. Do you see some changes? And the minutes pass by. Just barely. What's it changing to?
Pinkish.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't really see it changing color. Maybe we could put it in the microwave.
No.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Okay, it changes color a little bit. See how it gets a little shiny? What do you think? Yes or no?
No.
Let's do this. Put one here, keep one in your hand. 3 hours later. Slightly. If you hold it tight,
Oh, it does. Small difference.
let's do a flattened version. Not that impressed.
I give it a 2.
A 2. So now we're gonna do the Electroid. It's a different brand. This was actually cheaper.
Grand reveal. Finally. Oh,
Broke through the seal, which is just a little plastic thing. Okay, so this is metallic, but is it metallic? That's the question.
oh, it looks very squishy and bend up.
Boy, this is a lot drier than the other stuff. A super magnet should react with it. Like you said, a neodymium magnet should just pull this right up, right? Oh, that's magnetic. Not feeling it.
Wait,
Oh, it's not actually that dry. It's just you have to play with it for a while.
So it's
Broke
not
open
magnetic. What's it say? Bounces, stretches, snaps, melts. Put that back in there. There's more putties to do.
I'd give it 2.
1.
2. Right now, the clear putty's winning. Let's do this thinking
Okay.
putty. $3 for this little container. Okay, so this is crazy Aaron thinking putty, and it is light sensitive. So in theory, it should change color as it stays in the light. So how are we gonna test this? Put one in here, that's the control.
This is very much putty.
It's multicolor, but it's supposed to change color in light. You hold it with the light on it, and we'll compare it to something. Here's the one that's been sitting in the can that we haven't been playing with. Let's see if that's any different. What do you think?
Barely different.
Barely.
I don't know. I mean, it changes color. This is the most expensive putty. Where would you rate this?
2.
I would say it's after Electroid. Here we go. It's the most slimish of all the putties. And it's kind of on the sides here. I guess we have to keep it lit for a while. Take a piece, tell me what you think. It's also supposed to be snaps, stretches, melts, bounces. Bounces pretty good.
I have no idea.
It's like a thick slime. See how it bounces as a ball. So let's leave that out. Let it glow a little bit. Control goes in there. No, leave that out in the sun. Here's the writing putty. Adult supervision required. Sealed. The laser's inside of the putty. Or is it a rip? There it is. Fun factor there, huh? I'm not gonna take it out of the bag. Let's work this together. Wow, this is a little more oily than the. See, you want some? Stringier too.
Which is also fun.
Let's flatten it out. Ready?
Yeah. That's creepy.
Huh?
That's awesome.
The closer you get it, the redder it gets. C's your turn. What are you making? Ah. Let's do a smiley face.
That's awesome.
Huh?
That's wicked.
This is neat. And then it fades with time, see? See, ooh, it's kind of bruises it if it's too far away. And then it goes away. About a minute later, it's kind of healing itself. Okay, ego. We're kid friendly. You're making a triangle. Looks like Slimer. The closer you go, ooh, the redder it gets. This looks like blood. And then it goes away. Wow, the writing putty I think is the best.
Yeah, I give it a 4.
So this comes with a pointer, which is extra fun. Now let's go back to the illumination putty. Back to the glowing putty, you can kind of see that it glows. There it is. But you have to wait a long time. Here are all the putties. What do you think?
Writing putty hits.
Writing putty's number 1.
Yeah.
Best to last.
Clear putty second.
I would put it after clear.
After clear.
Yeah.
Glow in the dark putty. This is the multicolor putty.
No.
It changes a little bit, but it takes a long time. But I like it better than the putty, but it's not metallic. The super magnets should have certainly set it off. And then Crazy Errands, multicolor, but the light sensitive thing, eh. So the ratings are, how about in general? Fun factor for all the putties. Are they fun to play with?
Yeah.
Yeah.
STEM value, do you think they're STEMish?
This one is.
Why?
Because it, like,
Lasers.
yeah, laser.
Lasers?
Yeah. Because happy
He's
face.
just happy putty.
Yeah, happy putty.
Electroid putty that's neither metallic or electroid. So we're gonna really give this a shot. This is an 100 lumen light. You can see how it is now. Let's flash on it. You can see it changes color as you shine light on it. Does that rate it up any higher?
A bit.
In front of the electroid putty?
Yeah.
Price, was that a factor? These were the most expensive putties. $7, $7, $7. This was $5, $3. So in a sense, that was the most expensive putty because look at how little amount of putty you get. And then the electroid putty was $4 to $5, $4.99 I think.
I say these two were worth $7.
These two?
Yeah.
If somebody was going to get a putty for one of their kids, which ones would you avoid and which ones would you tell them to get?
I would tell them.
I would avoid these 3.
These 3?
Yeah.
I mean,
These.
this one may be a hard choice, but these definitely. This one I
Okay.
think kids would have most fun with.
The STEM value on this is pretty high, except for it turns blood red, which is kind of weird.
Freaky.
Could scare kids. Clear putty,
Whenever you play with it,
you know, too bad it's not in first place because then you could say it's the clear winner, but it's not.
Seriously.
Hey, you know, in some worlds that's a very funny joke.
but in this world,
Okay.
otherwise.
All right, so 3 clear winners and 3
Very clear, not
clear
not winners.
losers.
Okay. that
3 avoids and 3
wins.
back.
Wins.
and 3 clear winners. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe below. Point down this way. And stay tuned for more evaluations of STEM toys coming soon.